How to change your ball in FC mobile game. Welcome back to another video from Tech for Gamers. In this video, we will be learning how you can change the ball in the EA Sports FC mobile game. So without wasting much of our time, let's get started. The first step is to open up the EA Sports FC mobile application on your device, and from the lobby screen, go ahead and tap on the clubs option on the right. Inside club, select locker room on the right. Inside locker room, go to the ball section at the top right, click on that, and you'll be able to see the available balls that you've unlocked. Tap on the ball you want to use and click on confirm from the bottom. Soon after you do that, you can get back to the game and you'll be able to change your ball in EA Sports FC Mobile. So that's how it's done. Thanks for following along. I hope this tutorial helped you personalize your club with a new ball design. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next video. Stay tuned and thanks for watching.